morning.
Take off.
It's frozen. Maybe not if we walk really high. Where did it go?
It's right there.
I know I lost it on my thing.
Oh, it's... Yo. Hello, Mr. Krabs. Have you seen SpongeBob?
Look at, there's a fly on it and it's not even moving. Hello? Try and touch it. Go.
I'm not gonna go try and touch it.
Yeah, go towards it.
No.
Walk towards it more.
No. You crazy?
I lost it again. There it is.
Hello.
Oh, they're so funny looking. It's not.
Hello. If I stand very still, maybe they will go away. Oh, so you snap at it?
Maybe didn't it just move?
It did move. But it's pretending to be frozen.
It's probably scared solid.
Oh, it's moving! Ah!
I'm gonna see if I can touch it.
Oh. Ah, there's two!
It was mating. Did we interrupt something? Do you think it was mating or it was protecting? Let's see if this one moves. Maybe.
Well, if it's protecting, then why would it leave? You think it would snap at you? I gotta go so fast. Let's go running. Hello. It's the baby crab.
We're sorry. We're so sorry. Can I touch you?
Oh. And it goes lay down. What'd you find?
Two.
Oh, a crab.
There was a crab, and we were looking at it for a long time.
Where'd it go? It went into the